After you have successfully logged into the Safety Certificate Management portal, you will be directed to the certificate request page by default. In this page, if you click on the Bayer logo towards the left, this page will be expanded and you will be able to view all the modules available. Requests and case request. We are currently in the request page. If you click on the Bayer logo again, the expanded page will close. Now, if you wish to create a new safety certificate request, click on the Create New Request button towards the right, and you will be directed to Apply Safety Certificate page. Here, you can add requests in two ways. One is if you are aware of the crop and product names, you can start by selecting crop and product. Or if you are aware of the events, you can start by selecting the events. If you click on Select Event, you will be able to view all the events that are available. Select an event, and the crop and product combination will be auto-populated according to the event that you have selected. Now, select the production countries. This production countries field, multiple countries can be selected. Now, if you click on the arrow here, you will be able to view all the production countries that are available for this particular event. Select the production countries, close it, and click on Add Request button, and your request will be added. So for creating a second request, click on the Select Event, select the event here from the list, and the crop and product will be auto-populated. In the production countries, select a production country, close it, click on the Add Request button. In the similar way, you can add as many as requests you want. Now, let me start by selecting crop. If you click on the Select Crop, you will be able to view all the crops that are available. I'm selecting the crop, select the product, then the event will be auto-populated according to the crop and product that you have selected. Now, select the production country and close this. And before you add a request, if you are not happy with the choice that you have made and you want to make a new choice, you can click on the reset selection button here and all the choices that you have made will be reset. Now you can make new selections again. Select the crop, product, event, and production country, close it and click on add request. After you add request, you want to make change in any of the requests, you can click on the pencil icon in the action here and you can edit the request. You can select a new crop altogether, new product. The event will be auto-populated. Production country, close. And if before you confirm edit, if you are happy with the selections that you've made, you can click on confirm edit. Or if you do not want any of these changes to be applied, you can click on discard changes. I'm clicking on confirm edit. And if I want to delete my request that I've added, click on the trash icon in the action and the request will be deleted. Before that, you will receive a pop-up asking, are you sure you want to delete? Click on confirm if you want to delete and click on discard if you do not want to delete. I'm clicking on confirm and deleting the request. Now, click on the next button here after you are sure about all the options that you have chosen. And you will be directed to the fill application form. We start in by filling the company details, company name, select the entity type. If the entity type that you want is not listed in the list here, you can click on other and specify the other entity type. Or if the entity type that you want to select is listed in the list, you can select the particular entity type. Now that I've selected other, I have to specify the other entity type in this box. Now start by filling in the company's address details. Address line 1, address line 2, type in the state or province, type in the city, select the country from the list, type in the postal code, type in the company office's details, first name, last name, title is optional. Then If you want to be sure of all the choices that you've made for raising a request, you can click on the back button here and you will be directed to the apply safety certificate page. And after you've checked all the requests that you're going to raise, then again you can click on the next button. But be cautious to not click on the back button near the new certificate request, because all this data is unsaved and you might lose the data if you click on this. If you click on that, you will receive a warning saying you have unsaved data on this page. Do you still want to proceed? Click on cancel and click on next. After you fill in all the mandatory details, click on submit. And then the terms and conditions box will be appeared, and read all the terms and conditions box in the box according to the application name here. All the terms and conditions will be there. After you're done reading, click on the next here. And according to the application name, again, we have a terms and conditions here. After reading all the terms and conditions, click on next. If you wish to go back and read, and you can click on previous. And again, we have another application name here and the terms and conditions of this application. Now, after you have read all the applications, you have to agree to all the terms and conditions that are listed above by checking the checkbox. After you have checked the checkbox, the confirm button will be enabled. Click on the confirm button and you will receive a notification saying certificate request submission is in process. You will receive an email notification once completed. Now you will receive an email to your email box that you have registered with the portal. Dear trader name, your safety certificate request has been submitted successfully. You will receive an email after it is processed. Now the request that you have chosen will be notified to the approval manager via email, and you have to wait for approval manager's approval.